Let's go over how to use the system. After logging in, you'll see this page. To create a position for a candidate, click this button and type in the position title. By default, the status will be set to open. If you accidentally click close, candidate won't be able to start the interview. Next is the company section. You can choose an existing company. For example, this one is Videcot Tech. If the company you need isn't listed, click the blue Create Company button. Then we have the Interview Conditions section. Here you can add requirements, such as asking the candidate to speak English during the interview, or requiring at least 5 years of experience. These details will be shown to the candidate, so they'll know what's expected. Now let's look at creating interview questions. There are 2 ways to do this. First, you can use AI to automatically generate questions. Second, you can type your own. If you want to add more than the default set, you can add extra questions here. If you find a question you really like and want to save it for later, click Save Question as Template. On the right-hand side, you'll see the time limit. It's set to 3 minutes by default, but you can adjust it if you want to shorten the time for a question. Click the red trash can icon to remove it. Let's try generating questions with AI. Fill in the details about the kind of questions you want. Set the number of questions, and click the button to generate them. For example, if we choose 5 questions, the AI will produce 5. If we decide we only need 3, we can adjust that. Once you're happy, click Confirm. Next, click Submit. This page will show a summary of the position details. If you're not satisfied, click Edit on the left to go back, or delete to remove it entirely. If everything looks good, click Submit again. The next step is inviting the candidate. Click the blue Invite Candidate button. You can share the link directly with the candidate, or send it by email. If you use email, enter the candidate's address, then click Add Candidate Email. Finally, click Send. You can also include a note, such as please schedule the interview within 2 weeks. If you don't want to add extra text, just click Send. This is what the candidate will see on their screen. That's all there is to creating questions and sending an email to the candidate. Once the candidate submits their video interview, you can view it by going to View All Positions and selecting the relevant position. For example, if we want to review a user researcher application, click View Submission. Then View Interview. You'll see all the questions they answered. In this case, 3 in total. If you're impressed with the candidate and want to share their interview, click Share Video to send it to your team or your manager. And that's it. Your team will now have the candidate's video ready to review.